Right guys, we've got now one that I've been really excited about doing. We've got the Milwaukee impact driver versus the Makita. These are both brushless motors with 4 amp hour battery. What we're going to see if these two can do today is send all of these 12 8mm 120 8mm diameter and a 120mm length coach screws into oak. I have pre-drilled them. I've pre-drilled the holes only halfway through, just to give them a bit of a chance, because with it being oak there would absolutely be no chance that these screws would get through, because they would just bind up that much it wouldn't touch it. So what I want to do first of all, I just want to tell you the two makes of these. The two makes are not makes, sorry, the model numbers are, for the Milwaukee it's a M18 BLID 202C 18 volt brushless motor. Yeah, so that's that one. The Makita is a Makita XDT 082 18 volt LXT, and the spec on these is virtually the same, not a lot in it at all. So but these are both of the probably one of the cheapest impact drivers that you can buy. There's nothing fancy about them. They're very standard models. They've just got a forwards and a reverse. There's no other settings on them. But what I want to show you quickly is, if we have a look at this one, we press this on the battery. That's a full battery. I don't know if you can see that. That's a full battery, 4 amp hour, 18 volt on the Makita. And the Milwaukee is a full battery, just being charged, M18 4 amp hour battery. So let's get to it. This is probably going to be quite loud in here because I am on a plastic table on a wooden floor, so it might get noisy. I'm going to put some eyes on, because you never know what could happen with this. First up, let's try the Milwaukee. That's the Makita. That's the Milwaukee. I will keep saying Milwaukee because I hardly ever use this one anymore, because this is the favourite for me. So I'm going to put that out the way. I'm going to put that one out the way. And now we're going to start with this. What I want to do is I want to send them all the way in, bring them all the way out, and we'll see what the results are after. And then if it is that we've got any battery, or we can send some more through or whatever, we'll do another test on after, see if it will actually go through without piloting. But these are beefy coach screws and they may struggle. So here we go, let's have it. Struggled on that one. He didn't like that one. When I've got a tool in my hand, I get excited. Not bad. Halfway. That surprised me. Now let's take them out. I did fail to mention, I did put wax around the bottom of these screws as well, just to help them. You might be thinking, why has he put wax on them? But people that use screws and know hardwood know why I've put wax on them. It's just to help them through, just like if you put soap on screws, especially into hardwood. Just helps them through. Oh, we're doing well. Right, that's the test for that. The makita took them out and it is absolutely red hot. The motor on that is absolutely boiling, if you could feel it. That's very hot. Right, next up. The Milwaukee. To be honest with you, there isn't a lot of difference. If anything, I prefer the way that the Makita feels in the hand. Not sure why, it just feels like a better grip. Perhaps it's possibly a touch heavier as well. The Makita's perhaps a touch heavier, but we'll have a look at that after. Right, let's get ready for this one. Milwaukee, 4 amp hour battery, fully charged. Let's have it. Oh, come on. Feel the power. Feel the power. Right, take them out. Right, that's a weapon. For me, that's still red hot. Everything's really hot. The drill bit, everything's really hot, but the Makita is still hotter than the Milwaukee. Let's now let's break a few screws and I'll show you the purpose of pre-drilling into hardwood, especially oak like this, and putting the wax on. Now these have already got wax on, only a small amount, but what I'm going to do, this is a 100mm piece, so I don't really, well, we can do, I'm not expecting these to go straight the way through anyway. I'd be very surprised if this goes all the way through. I'll hang it over the table. Ooh, that struggled. That did struggle. Now that's only 100mm that way, so quickly put them there. I want to put one through the full length and I'll see if this one will go through. That's still red hot, so that may snap. Very, very surprised. Right, that's held up, that's stood the test of that. I'm happy with that. I knew that would anyway. But what I'll do now, that's already out. Let's get another screw and let's see how this is going through on the flat. Keep it all the same. Whew, that's hot. That really struggled then. I could feel it. It was saying it's bedtime. Let's try it this way. Right, I'm very surprised. It's either a credit to these coach screws. My hands are sweaty and I heard the singe then as I picked that up. That's boiling. Right, so what I want to do now, quickly, is have a look. You saw before that these two batteries were fully charged. So, first up, now it's still, what did it do? 12 screws in, 12 screws out, and one in the 100mm side and one in the 200mm side, but they're only 120mm deep. So on the longer side, it had to go in a 20mm deep extra on the upstand, and the same with the other one. So everything was exactly the same. And we have, that's dropped down 1 bar. If you can see that, one bar. Let's have a look at the Makita. Wow. Makita hasn't dropped a bar. Very, very surprised. Very surprised. I do like this Makita, but I do feel, my personal opinion, that the Milwaukee is, it's just edging in front. It's got at least 10% more go in it. For me anyway, 10-15% more. That has been a very, very good, reliable impact driver for me. I've had this for a while. I've used it on numerous projects. It's had some hammer, it's been dropped, it's bulletproof basically. That is brilliant. Same with this has been dropped off ladders from 10 feet up and it just bounces. I'm not recommend doing that, but if you do want an impact driver and you want to see how they perform, there's your performance. Brushless motors, absolutely brilliant bits of kit. They're an absolute revolution, these are. And I don't know what your views are, but when these Milwaukee came over from the States, I thought they're absolutely amazing. Big shout out to Shangy, who brought me this for my birthday. Top tool. So yeah, I'm well made up with them. I hope you all like that test. That's one of the tool reviews that I've been looking forward to doing for quite a while. But yeah, now we finally got it done. You can let me know what you think. This is my workshop. I'm Scott Challoner. Like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, click the bell next to the subscribe button for notifications. Every time I do a video, you'll be notified straight away. This is my workshop. Thanks for watching. Till next time, see you later. Look at the sweat.